Welcome to the world of the Lingoliftos! Summer for beginners! The sun is big! Sun! Sun! It is very hot. Hot! Hot! Vanilla is my favorite ice cream. Ice cream! I can swim. Swim! This is my favorite beach. Beach. Look at my shorts. Shorts! My sunglasses are cool. Sunglasses! Would you like a lemonade? Lemonade. My hat is too big. Hat. It's a perfect day for a picnic. Picnic. I can hide in a sand. Sand. I love my drink. Drink. Let's play together. Play. Summer is fun. Fun! Fun! Yay! I need water. Water! This is the best pool. Pool. Well done! See you next time.